Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Pen of Python. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the Matplotlib library. How we can use this Matplotlib library to plot the different graphs. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. First of all, we'll import the package, that is import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, now let's say we'll create any random value. Let's say a equals to np dot, let's say any random is the syntax that we can create the random value. Let's say 10 random value will create. Okay, then we can call sorry, we have not import the numpy. Okay, this all points, we let's say we want to plot this all points on a graph. So simply the plt dot plot, and inside this one we can pass the a means this all points we can pass over here, right? So this is the simple graph we have make over here. Okay, now we can give the x label, y label as well. We can give the legend, we can give the grid as well. So these all points we will see here. Now this is the simple line we have created. I will take one scatter plot. In that I will explain all the stuffs, all the attributes what we can use. So simply, let's say I will increase the box. Now simply let's say np dot uh, line space, let's say 20 20, and you can see, guys, I have created the this thing matrix. Line space is the function we have looked in the previous lecture. Okay, and I have reshaped this 10 into 20 means 10 rows and 2 columns, right? Now I'm gonna put this all points on the graph, that is in the scatter plot, right? So scatter plot, inside I'm using the b, and the I will explain, guys, what I'm writing over here. B, then first, see. Okay, now you can see, guys, over here that what I did, that is in from the b, that is all the row. Okay, from b, this semicolon what it will does that it will take all the rows from your this what are the row on in your data set or in your matrix that will contain this, and the zeroth column. So first column means this column include in this, right? And this is first column will include in this. So all the elements are here now. So you can see the plot, we have plot over here. So it is like a simple linear form. So let's say we will simply we'll tilt the graph. So for that we will multiply 2 times with this. So you can see this graph is looking different as before. Okay, this double means this I did to whatever the output of this, that I will multiply, means I will did the power of that each element, right? So we got this graph. Now we can do the different we can use the different attributes here. Let's say I want to change the marker. uh, Guys, I will make one more thing here, that let's say I will copy this and I'll paste it over here, and I will let's say I will change this. So you can see that two graphs I have made here, means two, not a two graphs, means see blue lines are different, showing the different result, and the orange line showing the different result, right? So this means don't worry about this one, guys. I'm not doing any complexity over here. That whatever the output from this one, I'm uh, doing that is square of that each particular element, and after square I am doing the divide by 2, right? So this is nothing but simply simple mathematics. Okay, now I'm going to use the marker over here, that you can use this as well, and here as well I will change the marker. Let's say I will put the different one. Let's say X I am putting over here, and you can, let's see how it will work. You can see this will change into the star, and this graph will change into the cross sign, means X sign, you can say. Now in this, let's say we will put this plt dot grid. Once you will put grid, you can see over here that the box like structure we got here. Okay, now one more thing here, we can put the size of this one. Let's say 100. You can see it is in a bold now. Here if you change one more time, let's say 200, so it is bigger than that, right? So here as well you can change size, let's say 150, so accordingly it will change. This is a size. Okay, now color as well you can do. Let's say I want this in red color, and this I want in the different color, let's say black. Okay, you can see here you got red color and black color, right? This is the formatting, guys. How you want your graph, you can do accordingly, right? Now in this you can put the X label, Y label as well. So simply plt dot X label, and inside this, let's say I will put A, and plt dot Y label. I'm just giving any name, guys. Okay, then I will put the title as well. Okay, what will be the title? Let's say this is a graph, so I will put the graph title. Now when you will execute, let's see how this will work. You can see here on the X we got A, on the Y we got B, and the title is graph we got, right? So you can do accordingly. You can do the formatting here as well. On the grid, let's say if you want to change the color into, let's say blue. Okay, sorry, this need in a code. You can see this these boxes are in the blue now. So this is the like what you want according to your situation, that you can plot. One more thing is here, that is legend. So for legend we need the labels, so we have not given the label over here. So no handles with labels found to put in the legend. So we'll put the label. Let's say A we'll put over here, and the label let's say B will put here. Let's say B. Okay, once you will execute, you can see here that you got the this label, that is legend. Okay, X denotes this and B denotes this, right? And one more thing in this, if you want to box this outside of this box, if you want this legend outside of the box, simply syntax that the B box to anchor equals to 1,1. You can see over here that your box is on means, let's say sometimes your this box will filled with your elements. So in that case, if you want to put them outside, so you can do like this. It's 1 1, nothing but this is a formatting. If you change 1 to 2, it will go up, means this is a row, this is a column, like this it will work. You can see if you change into the 2, so row and column according to it will act, right? Okay, so I will put 1 by 1, so it will looks fine, right? So this is the formatting, guys. according to you what you want, then how you want to show. That's it. Okay, so hope this will make sense, guys. In the next tutorial we are gonna use some more graphs, and we will do the formatting according to situation how you want. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.